In chess, piece activity is all about how many squares your pieces control and how much they actually influence the board. Here's a passive position. The knights are pushed to the side, the bishop is stuck behind its own pawns, and nothing is really doing anything. And now, compare it with this active setup. The bishops are cutting across open diagonals, the knights are controlling the center, the queen is reinforcing threats, the pawns are holding key squares, and the rooks are connected, one even forming a battery with the queen. And this is what activity looks like. And so the rule is simple. The more useful your pieces are, the stronger your position will be. And tactics usually appear when your pieces are active. So how to get activity? Well, rooks usually belong on open files or the 7th rank, where they dominate the opponent's side. Knights are usually strongest in the center or on safe outposts, and remember, knights on the rim are dim. Bishops thrive on open diagonals, especially if they pressure enemy pieces or the king. And queens are best when centralized, where they can swing to either side quickly. But beware of common mistakes. Don't leave your pieces sitting on the back rank too long. Don't block your bishops with your own pawns unless you have a clear reason. And avoid trading your active piece for your opponent's passive one. And so the key takeaway is always ask yourself, what is my worst placed piece and how can I make it better? If a piece isn't doing something useful, move it to a square where it does, because in chess, activity is power.